Hello, good morning to everyone once again. Now, today we are going to start fourth question of 7.1. Up to third question, we already have finished. What is fraction? I hope everyone understand it. And if you have any problem, to ask me. Okay. Now, we are going to start fourth question. What is fraction? So, fourth question is given. What fraction of a day? What fraction of a day is 8 hours? What fraction of a day is 8 hours? So we have to find the fraction of 8 hours to a day. A day means 1 day. Okay. So always one thing is remember. Okay. Suppose one example I am taking first. This one. Suppose it is a chocolate. Okay. And you divide in 3 parts. Okay, you divide it in 3 parts, and out of these 3 parts, so it means it is called 1 upon 3. It is also 1 upon 3. It is also 1 upon 3. Always remember downside. It is called downside denominator and upside numerator. Always downside we will write total numbers. Okay, total. So how many total? 1, 2, 3. So 3 and. In numerator, always we will write, in numerator is a part. How many part it is? 3. 1 is out of how many part? 1, 2, 3. 1 part, 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. So always in denominator. D mean denominator and N mean numerator. Okay. So always downside we will, in denominator we will write total, and in numerator always we will write part. Okay. So same as it is, first we will find, because we want to find the fraction of a day to 8 hours. So first we have to find how many hours in a day. Always same thing we will compare. Okay, which is same thing. It means it is hours. So we have to find how many hours in a day. Okay, so you write 1 day equal to 24 hours. Understand or not? In 1 day, how many hours? 24 hours. Everyone know? So write. So fraction of, whose fraction we want to find? Of 8. Fraction of 8 hours is how much? 2. Whose fraction we want? To a 1 day. So fraction of 8 hours. Always what I told you, in downside in denominator, always what we will write? Total 24. And in numerator, always we will write part, because how many parts? Total hours is 24 and 8 hour means 8 is part or not of 24? Yes, so 8 upon 24. So what is fraction of 8 hours to 1 day? 8 upon 24. 8 upon 24. It is your answer. Okay, so we will write like this. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So fraction of 8 hours, 8 by 24. Understand it? Same as it is. Next question. Question number 5. I think question number 5 everyone do yourself. Okay. What is fraction? An hour is 40 minutes. So 40 minutes. So first we will find. We want to find fraction of 40 minutes to an hour. So first we will write an hour equal to 60 minutes. So total how many minutes? 60 minutes. So write fraction of 40 minutes. So fraction of 40 minutes, always in denominator we will write total downside 60 and numerator part, because 40 minutes it is a part of a 60 minutes, is 40 upon 60. It is our answer. Okay, write yourself this one. This question do yourself. Next question. Next is question number 6. Question number 6. Read everyone. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. 3 friends are there. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared their lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches. So first Arya has brought has brought two sandwich. Two sandwich. Okay. Two sandwich. Okay. Next is one is made of vegetable. To write, Arya has two sandwich. One is vegetables and other is one is vegetable sandwich and another one is which one? Jam sandwich. I hope everyone I know me also like jam sandwich. You also I think jam sandwich or vegetable sandwich. So Arya has the two sandwich. One is vegetable sandwich, second is jam sandwich. But the other two boys, three boys are given, Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek. Arya has two sandwich, but Vivek and Abhimanyu, two boys, forget to bring their lunch. So one friend out of three friend, Arya bring the lunch, but other two friends are forget. So then Arya is agree, I will share my lunch to everyone. Okay. So how many sandwich? So suppose I am making figure. No need to make the figure in. Okay. Two sandwich. What is one sandwich? Is this one? I am making some bigger figure. It is sandwich. Okay. First sandwich. It is second sandwich. One is vegetable sandwich and second is jam sandwich. Arya has bring, but other two friends forget to bring their lunch. Then Arya has agree to share their sandwich. So each person will have an equal share. He decided to Arya share his lunch in equal part. Equal part mean fraction will be become, because fraction means equal parts always. Okay. So first part, A part we have to find. How can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person has equal share? Yes, there is two sandwich and we know total person is how many? 3 person, and you want to share his sandwich in how many person? In 3 person. So what we will do? So we will divide this sandwich in only, we are talking about only vegetable sound. Okay, so you have to divide the vegetable sandwich in 3 equal part. Same as it is, you will divide jam sandwich is also in 3 equal parts. Then you will share each other equally or not. Not like this one, na? You cannot share like this one. It is vegetable sound. It is first part, it is second veg, and you say this one share I will take because it is my lunch. No, not like this one. Because in the question is given, Arya has to divide their sandwich in equal parts, like this one, not like this one. Okay, equal. So it means in how many parts she had to divide it. So in first part, what is asking? How can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person has an equal share? So you can write Arya has to divide each sandwich in 3 equal parts. Each sandwich. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and all parts are equal. So it is the answer of the first question. Okay, you can make it figure also if you want to make. Okay, next B part. What part of a sandwich will each boy receive? And tell me, if you divide this sandwich in 3 equal parts. So first part is Arya getting how much? 1/3. It is also 1/3. It is also 1/3. It is also 1/3. It is also 1 upon 3. It is also 1 upon 3. Why 1 upon 3? It is 1 is out of 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 1 is out of 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So he is asking in B part, what part of sandwich will each boy be received? So write each boy. So every boy is getting 1 upon 3 of each sandwich. So each boy will get 1 upon 3 part of each sandwich. Yes, for vegetable sandwich, Arya get 1 upon 3. Abhimanyu get 1 by 3. Vivek get 1 by 3. Same as it of jam sandwich, Arya get 1 upon 3. Abhimanyu 1 upon 3. Okay, very simple question. So this is answer. Okay, A and B part. Okay, so I hope I understand it. So next, 7th part. We will do our syllabus some fastly because we have very less time, because in March we have to give the final exam and 8 chapter we have to finish and we have only 50 days. So in every 6 days, in every week we will finish 1 chapter at least. Okay, next question. And this syllabus we can finish only with the help of you, otherwise it is very difficult. Okay, now question number 7. Question number 7. Kanchan dyes dresses. Dye dresses mean we want to color them. Okay, Kanchan dyes dresses. Dyes mean if we sometimes we know our old clothes is very dull. The color is very dull. So what we will do? We will go to shop and we will dye them. Dye mean we want to color them. Okay. Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye how many dresses? 30 dresses. So right? How many dresses? So total dresses. Kanchan has total dresses 30 dresses. So total dresses is 30. She has so far finished 20 dresses. So how many? So number of dresses dyes has been finished. How many finished? Is 20. You know you have 30 dresses and 20 dresses you have to already finish to dye. So he asking what fraction of dresses she has finished. So right? Fraction of. So we have to find fraction of dresses has finished. So how many finished? So we have to find the fraction whose those dresses has finished. Always what I told you in numerator, in downside always what we will write? Total number. How many total number? 30. And whose fraction we want to find? Has finished. How many already finished? 20 by 30. So it is answer. So fraction of the dresses has finished 20 upon 30. Maybe examiner asked find the fraction. Find fraction has not finished. So tell me, you have 30 dresses and 20 you have finished. So how many you did not finish? How many? 10. So 10 upon 30. So 30 total always downside and has not finished. Whose fraction we are finding? Not finished. So 10 by 30. But in our question is he asking has finished. How many dresses has finished? So 20 upon 30. Next is, I hope everyone understand it. Okay. Next is question number 8 and 9. Both are same. Only one part. Question number 8 I will solve, and the question number 9 you will do yourself. Write the natural number from 2 to 12. So first we will write in your notebook what is natural number. Natural number. What is natural number? All the counting numbers. All the counting numbers are natural numbers. What is natural number? Example, all the counting number natural. What is counting? Counting start from 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is and dash 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 10 lakh. It is never ending. Okay. So it is all the. So note down it. It is important. What is natural number? Second is prime number. It is also. I know you already know what is prime number. We are already discussing in the 4th and 5th class. Okay. I know everyone know. But again, what is prime number? A number. What is prime number? Which cannot be divided by more than 2 numbers. Okay. Otherwise, you can write a number which is divided by only 1 and itself is called prime numbers. What is a number which can be divided only 1 and itself? It is called a prime number. Okay. So example, first prime number is only what is 2 is prime number because 2 is divided by 2 and 2 is divided by only 1. Only 2. No. Any other number you know? No. So it is not a prime number. 2, 3. 3 is also divided by which is divided by only 1 and itself. 3 is also divided by 1 and 3. Do everyone know? 1 can be divided every number. Okay. And 4. 4 is a prime number? No, because 4 is divided by 1 also, 4 also and 2 also. 2 can divide 4 also. Yes? So it is not a prime number. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is a prime number? No, because 9 is divided by 1, 3 and 9. So it means it is also divided by 1 also, 9 also, but 3 also. It means it is not a prime. So prime number means which is divided by 1 and itself, only by 2 numbers, but it is divided by 3 also. So 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These are the prime numbers. So note down this. What is prime number? We will use in 8th question this one. Okay. Next is question number 8. Write the natural number from 2 to 12. So write. So you will write first natural number from 2 to 12. What number are from 2 to 12? Natural number. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. First. Next is what fraction of them? Find the fraction of these number from are prime number. So write prime numbers from 2 to 12. So tell me which one is prime number? 2 is prime number. I told you before 1 minute. 2, 3, 4 is prime number. No. 5 is prime number. Yes. 6 is prime number. No. 7, 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 11, yes. So find, so right? We have to find fraction. So fraction of prime numbers from 2 to 12. So what I told you, always downside in numerator we will write total number. How many total number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Total numbers are 11. And whose fraction we want to find? Fraction whose of a prime number. Always in numerator we will write numbers whose fraction of prime numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 upon 12. So 5 is out of 11 number. It means 5 is prime number out of 11 number. These are 11 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11. Okay, because 1 is not given here and 5 is prime. Okay, understand or not? Very good. So same as it is in question number 9. Write the natural number from 102 to 113. You have to find yourself which one is prime number. Okay, and find it. Question number 9, do yourself. Okay, next is question number 10. Question number 10. What fraction of these circles x in them? So these are circle given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circle. And what is fraction of x? Okay, all circles have same size, but by mistake, because I am making my marker, that's why some difference, but all circles are equal. Okay, find the fraction of whose of x circle. How many x they are? These are 1 2 3. So write total number of circles. How many circles? Total circles are 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So write number of x circle. X circle how many? 1 2 3 4 5 circle. So write fraction of x circle. And what I told you, always downside. In denominator we will write total. Total how many? 10. And whose fraction of x circle? How many x? So 5 upon 10. So it is our answer. 5 upon 10. Only one question is remain of this first exercise. Last question we are doing now. Question number 11. Christine received a CD player for her birthday. CD player. Okay. CD. These are the CD cassettes. Okay. These are CD cassettes. And CD player mean where we will